We're gonna do a little tutorial on how to perm your lashes. This is my first time doing it. So we're gonna do this together. Got this off of Amazon and I will link it down below if you're interested, if this works out really well. But it does come with this. So it comes with a nourishing lotion. Also comes with this, which are step 1 and 2, which is the perming solution and I think the setting lotion. This lash perm glue. Again, it comes with a bunch of little accessories that are needed. Also comes with this. Wash lashes with shampoo or facial cleanser to remove makeup before starting. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. That I need to lightly curl my lashes. I won't lie, my lash curler is so dirty, so I'm a little worried about using this a little bit. I actually did get a lash lift from a girl in my neighborhood and it didn't last very long, unfortunately. I think it's because I kept opening my eyes and I was laughing, la la la. I'm just doing what it says, guys. I don't know if this is right or not. Now the next step is place eye pads on the lower eyelids to shield your skin from lotions. This was a small kit, by the way. They do have like 3 different kit price ranges that you can choose from. Okay, so do we do it like this or do you guys input it from lower to heavy? I feel like this way is way better, but maybe I'm wrong. We're just gonna put it on. Oh, it's a little close to my under eye. I do apologize, I'm gonna look a little psychotic. I think that's just inevitable. So here we are. Do I look scary or what, guys? Take this glue thing. Oh my god, I hope I don't get it on my dresser. Is this right? Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Wait for this one, to be honest, because I think it's too much for my eyes to do at one time. Go. I'm gonna keep working on the inner corner a little bit and then I'll be back. So after that, you have to put on is the Perm 1 solution, which stinks. Smells a little bit like rotten eggs. We're gonna keep that on for however long. I think they said 10-11 minutes. Well, I'll be back in that time frame. I went ahead and did I went ahead and did the other side. So I know I'm so sorry I look scary, guys. So the lotion on this side is done. I just put this one on, so I am going ahead and doing that. The next one is, so then we need to remove the lotion from the eye. We're gonna add Perm Solution 2. That, and then put that on all over. I'll go in and grab plastic wrap right now, but I need to coat every lash, it said, and then keep it on for at least 8 minutes. That's getting too close to my eyeball. Have wrapped them in wrap. I have one going for 5 more minutes on this side, then I'm gonna do one more for 8 minutes. Well, at this point it's probably about 6 minutes. Okay, so this eye is done right now. So again, you just take it off. You're gonna want to grab a Q-tip and wipe off any excess lotion. Oh, the other one went off. So you just kind of want to wipe off any excess. Okay, so we're gonna keep applying the lotion on every lash, and then we're gonna put the film back on. I'm gonna do the opposite side, so I'm just gonna pop it on here. I'm just doing the opposite, and we're gonna put a timer on for 8 minutes. This one is done. So now it says, then this one you want to remove as well. I guess this is to help break up that lotion, I'm assuming. I know you guys probably can't see very well, but after 1 minute, gently remove the nourishing lotion using a new applicator. You're gonna go through a lot of Q-tips with this for sure. At least I do. Do need to wipe off the residue on this one. Now for this eye, I do think it came out slightly better. Maybe it's a little bit more lifted. My eyelid's stuck, you guys. I'm gonna have to go in with a little bit of water. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's almost because I have really tall lashes. It's just they're so stick straight that I usually can't see them. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it came out pretty good? I mean, if you guys have tips and tricks for me for using these like DIY lashless, let me know. I'm all about learning. Yeah, I think it definitely worked. Way better than what I expected, but so now I don't have to worry about doing my lashes for the next, like, what? How many weeks? At least 2 weeks. So happy with the results. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys my little, I wanted to do that. I wanted to do a video on that because I feel like, I don't know, I just like doing those kind of things. Yeah, super happy with it. Very much happy. Now I have to clean this up and find a place to store all this. So this is the brand. It is a Korean brand lash lift kit. Tear free. It works. I'll leave the link below if you're interested. That it's a lot less steps for me in the morning to do my makeup now. So I love this so much. Okay. Bye.